Hello friends, my name is Shubhadeep Das. I was teaching you the chapter quadratic equation with one variable from the book Ganit Prakash of class 10, West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. In my previous video, I have completed. Let us work out 1.2 up to question number 4, Roman (16). Now today we are going to start from question number 17, Roman 17 of 4. We are going to solve this equation to find the values of x. Okay, now let us solve this question. Let x plus a by x minus a equal to p. Therefore, the equation can be written as p square minus 5p plus 6 equal to 0, or we can break 5 as therefore or so the value of p the values of p are 3 and 2. Now if we put 3, okay, if we consider the value of p as 3, we can write x plus a by x minus a equal to 3, or if we take x to the right side and minus 3 to the left side, we get or x equal to 4a by 2. So x equal to 2a. Now if we take the value of p as 2, we can write if we take x to the right side and minus 2a to the left side, it becomes or the value of x is 3a. So we are getting two values of x, which are 2a and 3a. Okay, now let us proceed to our next question, that is question number 18. This is our question number 18, where x cannot be 0 or minus b. Now let us solve it. The LCM is LCM of the denominators. Or this is b by x square plus bx. If we multiply x to x plus b, we get x square plus bx, and it is a square plus ab. So we can now cancel b from both of these sides. Now, or we can write this is 1 by and this is 1 by this. So we can write this equation as, okay, you can write it by cross multiplying. So So it becomes a square plus ab and x square plus bx, or x square plus bx and we can take this to the right side and write it as minus a into a plus b. We are just taking a common and transferring this quantity to the right side. Now if we break the middle term, we can write it as a plus b minus a into x. Okay, so bx and a plus b minus x both are same, minus a into a plus b. So we can write a plus b into x and minus we have written this x to the left side. So okay, so this is we are multiplying x to this quantity, so x a plus b into x and minus a into x and minus a into a plus b. Okay, now from these two quantities if we take x common, we have x plus a plus b, and from these two quantities if we take minus a common, we have x plus a plus b. Now if we take x plus a plus b common, we are left with x minus a. Okay, 0. Or now we can write either x plus a plus b equal to 0, so x equal to minus a plus b, or x minus a equal to 0, so x equal to a. So we are getting two values of x. So I hope this is clear to you, all the steps. I hope all the steps are clear to you. Now let us proceed to our next question, that is question 19. Okay, now let us solve this question. We can write the first term as 1 by x minus 1 minus 1 by x minus 2. Sorry, we can write it like this: minus 1 by x minus 2, here x minus 1. Okay, we can write this term as this. Okay, if we simplify this thing, or if we subtract the second fraction from the first, okay, we will have to find the LCM of these two numbers. That will be x minus 2 and x minus 1. Okay, and in denominator we will get x minus 1 minus x minus 2. Now if we open the bracket, we will get this by, and we can write it like this: x minus 1 x minus 2. Okay, something x minus 2 into x minus 1 and x minus 1 into x minus 2, both are same. Okay, so x and x get cancelled and this becomes 1 by, okay, x minus 1 x minus 2. So this thing and this thing are same, so we can write this part as this. Okay, we can write this term 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 like this. So this is not the part of this question. Okay, I just did it to make you understand. Okay, so I am removing it. Okay, so this thing can be written as this thing. Why? I have explained it like this, step by step. Okay, now similarly we can break the second term, that is 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 2. Similarly we can break the third term, which becomes 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 3, which is equal to 1 by 6. Now we are getting this. Okay, now we can cancel plus 1 by x minus 2 and minus 1 by x minus 2, and we can cancel plus 1 by x minus 3 and minus 1 by x minus 3. So we are left with plus 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 1. This is not a part of this question. Okay, this is a rough. I just did it to explain how to break this quantity into this. Okay, this is just an explanation, this is not a part of the question. Okay, that is why I removed it. Okay, now the final form is this. Now we can further simplify it. Let us take the LCM of the denominators. minus x and minus 4x, it is minus 5x and plus 4. This is equal to 1 by 6. Or if I cross multiply, we get x square minus 5x plus 4 equal to 18. Or x square minus 5x, if we take 18 to the left side, we get minus 14. We are breaking 5 as 7 minus 2. Or taking x as common and taking 2 as common. Okay, now if we take x minus 7 common, therefore either x minus 7 equal to 0, that is x equal to 7, or x equal to minus 2. This is our answer. Now let us proceed to our next question. This question is important. Okay, breaking of these terms to be understood carefully. Now let us proceed to question number 20. This is our question number 20. Let us try to solve it. Okay. Let us write it like this. Okay, we have added 2 to both these sides. Okay, this is plus 1 and plus 1 2 to the left side, and this is plus 2 to the right side. Both sides of an equation can be changed in similar manner, or you can say we can add same quantity to both sides of an equation. Okay, this can be done. I hope you understand it. Okay, we added these two quantities, and we added these two quantities. Okay, or x by x minus a plus x by x minus b equal to 2x by x minus c. Okay, so we can take x common from these two quantities. Okay, we can take x common, so we can write and we can cancel x from both. Sorry, we should not cancel x from both these sides. Okay, x can be equal to 0. Okay, so we cannot cancel it, we should not cancel it. So this is our last step. Right, now we should take x common from these two quantities. Therefore either x equal to 0 or this part is 0. Okay, I hope you can understand it. Okay, there is little hodgepodge, but still, okay, I hope you can understand it. Okay, either x is 0 or this quantity, sorry, this is minus, or this quantity should be equal to 0. Now if we do LCM, we get okay. So this is what we get when we do the LCM of denominators, and add these quantities. So on simplifying we get this equation. So this is what we get. Now if we send the denominator to the right side, it becomes 0, or we are just left with the numerator. okay, numerator, and when we send this quantity to the right side, it gets multiplied to 0 and becomes 0. So we only left with this. Now if we simplify it, we get x square minus bx, x square minus bx minus cx plus bc plus x square minus ax minus bx, sorry, minus ax minus cx x square minus ax minus cx, x square minus cx minus ax plus ac plus, sorry, minus 2 into x square minus bx minus ax plus ab, or 2x square minus bx minus ax, okay, 2x square minus bx minus 2cx plus bc plus ac minus 2x square plus 2bx plus 2ax plus, sorry, minus 2ab equal to 0. Now if we cancel 2x square, okay, this is bx, okay, this is minus bx plus 2bx, so only bx, okay, minus ax plus 2ax, so only ax, minus 2cx, so plus bc plus ac minus 2ab equal to 0. Or if we take x common from these three quantities, and if we take these things to the right side, we get 2ab minus bc minus ac, or x equal to 2ab minus bc minus ac by a plus b minus 2c. So this is the other value of x. Okay, I hope this question is quite clear to you. Let me explain it again. So this was the question. Now we are taking plus 1 and plus 1 to the left side, and we are taking plus 2 to the right side. Okay, we can add same numbers to both sides of same equation. Now if we simplify it, we get this thing, and taking x common from the left side, we can, okay, so this is what we get. Now if we take this quantity to the left side, we get this. Now if we take x common, okay, we are left with within bracket 1 by this, 1 by this, 2 by this, equal to 0. So either x equal to 0, this is one value of x, and or this should be equal to 0. Okay, either this is 0 or this is 0. So if this is 0, then on simplifying, okay, on simplifying, we get this expression, this big expression. Now we are writing it again to the next page. Okay, we are writing this again, and if we take the denominator to the right side, it becomes 0. So we are only left with the numerator. Okay, so we are breaking the numerator. Okay, we are opening the brackets, and on simplifying, we are getting x equal to this. So this should be our answer. So x equal to 0 or this. Okay, now let us proceed to our last question. That is question, this is question number 21. Okay, let us open the bracket, or minus root 3x minus 2x plus 2 root 3 equal to 0, or if we take x common, if we take 2 minus 2 common, or x minus root 3 common from both these quantities. Okay, x minus 3 common from both these quantities, so we are left with x minus 2. So therefore either x minus root 3 equal to 0, so x equal to root 3, or x minus 2 equal to 0, so x equal to 2. These two are correct answers of x. Okay friends, we shall come with another video, and we shall solve next exercise, that is 1.3. and before solving 1.3, we are going to discuss one or two applications. Okay, after that we are going to start 1.3. Okay friends, thank you for today.